Here's some Tudor Reformation trivia. Subscribe. Who initiated the English Reformation? Is it A. Thomas More, B. Henry VIII, C. Elizabeth I, or D. Martin Luther? The correct answer is B. Henry VIII. What was the official church established by Henry VIII? Is it A. Roman Catholic Church, B. Church of England, C. Eastern Orthodox Church, or D. Lutheran Church? The correct answer is B. Church of England. Which act made the monarch the supreme head of the church? Is it A. Act of Unity, B. Act of Succession, C. Act of Supremacy, or D. Act of Settlement? The correct answer is C. Act of Supremacy. What were the series of royal changes in religion under Edward VI? Is it A. Elizabethan settlement, B. Anglican compromise, C. Catholic restoration, or D. Protestant reforms? The correct answer is D. Protestant reforms. Which queen tried to restore Catholicism in England? Is it A. Elizabeth I, B. Anne Boleyn, C. Mary IV, D. Victoria? The correct answer is C. Mary Ward. Which royal house did Henry VIII belong to? Is it A. Windsor, B. Stuart, C. Tudor, or D. Lancaster? The correct answer is C. Tudor. Who succeeded Henry VIII as king? Is it A. Mary IV, B. James Charles Severus, or D. Edward VI? The correct answer is Edward VI. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.